Hello, and today we're going to talk about Earth's spheres. So, although the Earth looks like one big whole thing, it's actually made out of different spheres. And these spheres interact with each other, so they're interconnected. And I've cut out these little paper pieces to kind of recreate a scenery on the Earth with the components in the form of the spheres. So, first, let's get started with the geosphere. Everything made out of rock on the Earth is a part of the geosphere. That includes the crust, the mantle, and the core of the Earth. So things like mountains or plateaus or lava or even magma, they're part of the geosphere. Now we're going to talk about the atmosphere. It is also a very important part of the Earth because, that allows us to breathe and stuff. So here we go, atmosphere. Basically, it is all the gases on the Earth that make up the atmosphere. It extends up to 100 kilometers to a line called the Kármán line. So that line divides what we officially consider space and what we officially consider as the atmosphere, so not space. And with the atmosphere, the Earth is pressurized. So our body won't just explode and our blood won't boil and we can breathe in it. It has a lot of different gases, not only oxygen, there's a lot of other gases. Okay, now let's get to the very important part. It is the hydrosphere. There we go. It took me a long time to cut this out. Alright, anyway, the hydrosphere is basically all the liquid water on Earth that are part of the hydrosphere. So rivers, oceans, underground water, etc., etc., etc. Okay. This is starting to look like some sort of primitive Earth already. This is probably what the Earth looked like a few billion years ago. So, as you can see, we have oceans, mountains, and clouds. There are something missing. So, the next sphere I'm going to talk about, it is pretty much, to us, the most important sphere of the Earth. It is what makes the Earth special. It is the biosphere. Here we go. So, all the life on the Earth make up the biosphere. Plants, animals, fungi, and a lot of microorganisms. So as you can see here, we have trees and plants. So that's the biosphere. Oh, there's one sphere that always gets left out. It's called the cryosphere. Basically what it is just all the solid water on Earth. So as you can see here, I represented it with this little glacier thing floating in the ocean right now. So that's ice. So that's part of the cryosphere. And okay, just do a recap. So we have the geosphere, which is everything made out of rock. We have the hydrosphere, which is all the liquid water. The atmosphere, which is all the gases. The biosphere, all the life on the Earth, plants, animals. And the cryosphere, which is all the solid water or ice on the Earth. So here you can see we have a scenery of somewhere on the Earth. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.